It's like Michigan when it snows in South Florida. Except it's rain. And everybody freaks out. Look, everybody drives fucking 35 on the freeway. Yay, and here comes Roy. Fuck you guys. Fuck you guys. God, man, it's fucking barely raining and these motherfuckers are doing 30 fucking 5, dude. People act like it's fucking, like, so slick. It's so slick. I'm gonna fucking die, man. Look at him, even this guy in the left lane, he won't even do fucking 60. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There they go. Oh, they're speeding up. Oh, it's because it's dry. Oh, look, it's dry and everybody speeds up. So fucking sad. Seriously, South Florida?